only person that knows about this document is my friend, Susan. And she can't betray me like that. I trust her.
That your friend, Susan, how sure are you?
I am very, very sure about her. She's my best friend. I know she will keep my secret. She will not betray me.
Madam Tina, don't trust your friends. Do not trust them. They can betray you at any given time. So I would advise you, you go back to her. You ask her properly. And I won't like you to block me or disturb me on this topic again. I have a hectic day. I've got to do. Thank you.
Tell me what I've done to deserve all this from you. I've played the best part in your life. I struggle to put food on the table. Instead, you burn my heart. What have I done? You burn my love. Why you so mean? You burn that trust. Why you so wicked? You burn that feeling. What have I done?
Hey. Hi, babe. Come in. How are you? Sit. You okay?
Yes.
Sure.
Daddy.
Yeah?
I've been observing you.
Okay.
You seem hot and disappointed.
No, Brittany, I'm okay. That is fine. That is just tired.
I heard you and Auntie Miracle talking. I never knew she could do such a thing. I thought Auntie Tina could be trusted.
Brittany. You see, sometimes it's very difficult to trust people. It's even harder to trust people very close to you. Because your enemy might just be your closest friend. Promise me you'll tell me everything.
I promise, Daddy.
Promise me you'll never hide anything from me.
I promise, Daddy.
You never keep your secret away from me.
I promise, Daddy.
Sit down. Come.
Let me see.
The network is disturbed.
Watching raising an intelligent son. Go on, I'm watching you.
Mom,
Yes.
I want to ask you something.
Go on.
When is my dad going to come back with my siblings from Asia?
Brian, your dad will be back sooner than you expect. He actually wants it to be a surprise for you.
But Mom, can I at least talk to him on phone? This is a phone, Mom, just his phone number.
Brian, you will talk to your father on the phone when the time is right.
Mom,
For now, focus on your studies. That is more important. Go on and write.
Auntie Tina.
Hi, Brian. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Brian, can you go in? I need to discuss something with you, okay?
Okay.
I'll need to
Okay.
Girl, what is the problem? Why did you send the kid away like that?
My husband knows that I'm the owner of the house he's been paying rent for the past 4 years.
Holy Moses! How did he find out?
I don't know. You and I are the only ones that know about the duplicate documents.
What are you saying? What are you trying to say? We both know how we went about the documents.
Susan, you know you're my best friend. And there's nothing I'll do in this world without letting you know. So I want you to accompany me to the bank to keep these documents safe. And please, in case anything happens to me, God forbid, God forbid, I want you to make sure that everything in this document gets to my son, Brian. It's very important. Please.
I will. But nothing will happen to you.
I know. And I know I can count on you.
Sure. You might tell.
So I want you to be the witness for this. So I'm going to put everything in details. So here.
And I've never returned there after them to check on the documents. So how did he know?
I don't know. You and I are the only signatories to the document. You can't access it without my consent. Now my husband is aware of it. How? How possible is that?
Girl, have you asked your lawyer?
Of course, that was the first place I went to and he denied disclosing it to anyone. So who did? Who did? Who is after me? Who told my husband about the documents? Who?
So what did you tell your husband?
Of course I denied. I told him I don't know what he was talking about. But deep down in me, I know he knows that I'm lying. How did he find out about it?
Girl, listen, this is not time to apportion blame. Okay? The deed has been done. You have to return to that house to secure your secret box.
But I kept it somewhere he can't find it.
Remember you told me the last time he almost caught you with it? So you have to return now to secure it.
I have to go do that.
Babes, hold on. Let me ask you a question.
What?
Do you really love your husband?
Yes, I do. But I can't trust him. I'm sorry. I can't trust any man. Not after the bad experiences I've had with men in my past. I can't. I need to go.
Hi, babe. What's in the box?
It's my documents. Documents from school. My primary and secondary school documents. I'm keeping it safe so no one tampers with it.
No one tampers with it?
Yes.
So what can I possibly do with your school documents? That's your privacy, right?
Yes, it is.
Can I get some food? I'm hungry.
Sure, I'll get it right away. Alright, I keep it safe.
What box is this?
What am I saying? This is dated 4 years ago. 4 years ago? Immediately after our wedding. Oh my God. Tina bought a land worth 15 million naira before our wedding, and I was begging people to sponsor our wedding. Tina, why would you do this to me? How could you be this wicked? What? What is this? So Tina's father has properties worth over 400 million, and we have been living from hand to mouth. Wonders shall never end.
That's not what. Look, I can explain all of this. Honestly, I can explain. It's
Tina, where have I wronged you? Why do you hate me so much? Tina, your parents left properties worth over 400 million in your care before they died. Yet you watched my mother die in pain. You watched me go through hell to put food on our table. How could you?
I'm sorry. Please, just let me explain.
Tina, from the very first time I met you, I sacrificed for you. I did everything to make you happy. And you chose to treat me this way?
I'm sorry. You can just let me explain. Please forgive me. I know what I did is horrible. I know I shouldn't have let you know that I contributed to our wedding. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
You stand there and talk about forgiveness. Tina, remember everything I did just to make you happy. Just to marry you. Just to ensure our wedding holds. I did everything to impress your family. How could you do this to me? Listen, I single-handedly sponsored our wedding. You had everything. You had all the money in the world, yet you contributed nothing. You didn't contribute a dime. You allowed me to go through the pain of paying for our wedding. Yet you had all this money in your possession. And you watched my mother die.
This is not mercy. I am dying. I don't want to die now. Please. You have to do everything possible for me to recover from these cases. Please.
Mama, you won't die. Okay? You're going to be fine. I'll see the doctor now and know what next to do. Alright?
Okay.
Please, just hang in there. Please. Tina, let's see the doctor and know what's next to do. Take care, Mama. I'll be right back.
Mama, you're fine.
Doctor, what exactly is wrong with my mother?
From the test we conducted, we discovered that your mother has kidney failure and needs an urgent transplant.
Doctor, what can we do to save her life? That woman has sacrificed a lot for me. I don't want to lose her now. I'm not prepared for that.
Well, the cost for kidney transplant in our facility here is 5.5 million. But if you can deposit at least 4 million naira, we can invoice the transplant surgeon to commence the treatment immediately.
Babe, I don't have 3 million. Where do I raise that type of money from? I spent all I had on our wedding. I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Don't worry, God will definitely make a way.
Hey, babe, listen. Like I said, I spent all I had on the wedding. I don't have a dime left. Did you know anywhere I can borrow?
No.
I promise to pay back with interest.
I don't know any. You know I'm an orphan. You forgot it. I don't know anybody that can lend me. Nobody at all. Mama, what is it? Mama? Mama? Mama, what is it? What? Mama, take some. Mama, take. Mama, take now. Mama, what is it? Mama, take something. Take. Doctor! Doctor! Desmond! Someone should help! Desmond! Desmond! Doctor! Please, someone should help. Desmond! Doctor! Please, someone should help me. Someone should help. Desmond!
What?
Desmond! Mama is coughing seriously. Please, call the doctor. Call the doctor.
Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor, please come and help. Mama.
What happened?
Mama.
Mama?
Doctor.
Mama?
Mama.
Mama, what happened to her?
Oh no, she was coughing.
Mama?
Mama.
Excuse me, Desmond.
Oh, she was coughing, Mama. Hope she's okay. Yeah, she's fine.
Doctor. Doctor, is she okay?
Say something now.
Mama?
Mama. Doctor.
Is she alright?
I'm sorry. We lost her.
No, it's not possible. Mama! Is alive. Mama! Mama, wake up! Mama! Let's do something! Mama, doctor! Mama! Mama! Mama, wake up! Let's do something, Mama! Mama! Mama, please wake up! I'm here, Mama, please, don't do this to me! Mama!
Where the hell did you go? But you know I need you. Mama, come back. I wanted to take care of you. You haven't reaped the fruit of your labor, Mama. You have suffered a lot to raise me. Why now? Mama, come back. Tina, you had all the money in the world. You could have stopped the tragedy in my life. But you watched my mother die. You did it deliberately. How could you?
No, it was never my intention to hurt you in any way, I swear. I'm sorry, forgive me. Please. I'm not proud of what I did, but if you just let me explain, please.
Get out.
Yes, Mom.
Tina, I said, get out of my sight! You're worse than the devil himself. Listen, I know the house belongs to you, but my rent isn't expired. I'll leave when my rent expires. Now get out. I said get out! Now, get out! Get out! Get out!
This one, please, please.
Upon my hand, what have I done? Upon my love, why you so mean? Upon that wrong, why you so wicked?
Susan, someone has found out almost everything. I'm dead.
Gosh. How did you find out? Did you secure the box?
By the time I got home, he had already opened the lock. He had opened it. He now has access to all my landed properties, including the ones I inherited from my father. All of it.
Gosh, this is a bad idea, babes.
Now he sees me as the witch that was sent to destroy his family. Oh, God knows that wasn't my intention. I was just scared. I was protecting myself. I was just scared. I was just scared he would kill me and take over my father's properties in my possession. I just did not want to fall a victim again.
Babes, calm down. Have you think of something to do, or do you have any idea?
I don't have an idea. I can't even think straight. I can't think straight. One question that has been popping up in my head and I have no answer to is, who is behind this? Who is doing this? How did he get the documents? Why is everything happening now? Why?
It's okay. You have to calm down, okay?
I can't calm down. I can't calm
Babe,
down.
you have to calm down. Let's think of what to do.
God.
Just calm down.
What's behind all this? How did Desmond get the documents? How? How?
Upon my hand, what have I done? Upon my love, why you so mean? Upon that wrong, why you so wicked? Upon that feeling, what have I done? You put me to a lot of pain. You poured down all this love, what have I done? I tried to perform.
I overheard everything she said. Believe me, Tina is not good for you. Getting drunk won't even solve the situation. Rather, it will worsen it. Please, stop drinking.
I love Tina. But right now, I'm a shadow of myself. I'm heartbroken. I feel shattered. I feel hopeless.
Can you believe Tina had so much money in her possession, yet pushed me into borrowing money to start up a business for her?
I remember when she was critically sick and wanted to die. I did everything. I spent all I had to save her life. But she deliberately watched my mother die. How could she? Tina, how could you? How could you do this to me? Tina had so much money in her account and I was only asking for 3 million naira to save my mother's life.
What I'm trying to say now is that I want you to be strong. I don't want this situation to weigh you down. Please, just be strong.
I need to talk to someone. Hi, Ben. Please come over, it's important. Stop it.
Upon my hand, what have I done? Upon my love, why you so mean?
Ben, that's
that's my story. I've been going through a lot.
So unbelievable. Desmond, do you know that had even you called me on the phone and was telling me all these things, I would just think that maybe you were joking. What will make a wife treat the husband like this? No. This is ridiculous.
Ben, I'm going through a lot right now. I'm currently paying back the loan I took, to set up a business for Tina. Not knowing she has the finances to set up 10 businesses of her choice. Yet she allowed me go through the pain of asking people randomly for money. The worst part of this situation is the death of my son.
Honey, I want to say thank you so much for setting up the business for me. I can't believe you went as far as taking a loan just to do this for me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm happy I did. You see, I can do anything for you. I love you that much. Besides, setting up a business for you is one of the smartest decisions I have made in my life. And I know it's going to benefit us, so yeah.
Thank you for believing in me.
Of course I do. And I love you so much.
I still can't believe you had to take that risk. Taking a loan.
Yes, because I know you're going to make me proud.
Oh my God.
I know doing business is not easy, but I want to show you something.
Okay. Let me see.
There you go.
Okay.
See?
So what's supposed to do?
Daddy, Junior is in serious pain. He's having serious stomach ache.
Junior? In pain?
Yes.
Where? Serious pain? What happened?
So babe, the scan showed acute appendix. The doctor said it's critical. He needs to operate on him fast. But before that happens, I need to deposit 200,000 naira. I don't know where to get the money from because I invested in that business I told you about. And I'm expecting to be paid next month. Everything is happening so fast. I'm totally confused. I don't know what to do.
I don't know either. I wish I had money. I would have just given it to you to solve this hospital bill. Yeah?
Babe, I was going to ask you, what about your business? Do you mind taking some money from it, and I promise to give you back next month?
Honey, that business is a new one. It's a new business. I had to use all the money to stock the shop up so people will see what to buy. But I've not made any sales. No sales yet. And I'm new in the market, so people don't know me that much. So I'm not selling anything yet. So
How do I get
I don't know anybody I could ask for loan or anything. I don't know anybody.
How do I get out of this mess?
Why don't you ask your friend, Ben? He could be of help.
No. Ben is not in the position to help us now. We did the business together. We're expecting to be paid next month, so even if I call him, he won't be of help.
And the only option available now is to ask the doctor to give us time to pay.
Time to pay? How do you mean?
You said you're expecting money next month, right?
Yes.
So we can ask him to give us time till next month to pay the bill. He's our family doctor. I'm sure he'll understand and help us out.
Okay. In that case, I have to go and talk to him.
Yes.
Brittany, stay with your brother, okay? I need to talk to the doctor. I'll be right back.
Okay, Daddy.
All right.
Okay, Daddy.
I'll call you so you can talk to him.
Doctor, please. I need your help. I can't raise that type of money now. However, I'm expecting some goods, and don't worry, I'm going to pay you. Just commence treatment on my son. So I promise to pay you. Just give me 1 month. I promise I'll pay you, please.
Desmond, I understand your plight, but there are things beyond my control. I really want to help you because I am a family doctor. But there is no way the hospital management can allow me to commence treatment on him without you depositing something. And if you can at least deposit 100,000 naira, then I will see what I can do.
Doctor, please, look here, our only hope. In fact, our last hope. We don't have any other person to go to. You need to do something, please.
Doctor, there is an emergency in Ward 5 that needs your urgent attention.
What 5?
Yes, doctor.
That must be cheating. What is going on together?
My son? What's wrong?
Junior, please, Junior, please wake up, Junior, please now wake up now, please now, Junior, please, Junior, please now wake up now, Junior, now wake up.
What is going on here?
Wake up now, Junior.
What's going on? Wait!
Come here.
Please.
What happened?
No, Dad.
Shh. Keep quiet. Just leave it. Doctor, what happened?
Doctor, why is
Why,
he
so
not saying
you were here? What happened?
I don't know. The doctor is there.
Doctor, is he okay? Doctor, say something. What's wrong? Doctor, say something now.
I'm sorry. We lost him.
What?
Junior, please now wake
What?
up. Junior, please now wake up. Junior, please. Junior, please. Please now. Junior, please now. Leave me alone.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Junior, wake up.
Hey, stay here. Keep quiet.
Now wake up now.
Doctor, is he okay?
Why is he not talking?
Listen, what happened? Huh?
Junior, wake up now. Junior, wake up.
Ben, that was the last time I set eyes on my boy. I had rushed him to the hospital, but the doctors confirmed him dead on arrival.
Ben, it was so difficult to watch my son die without doing anything to save his life. So human beings can be this wicked and heartless. So Tina can be this evil, yet she pretends to be an angel. Why she's a lion in sheep's clothing. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable.
Ben, lived all my life trusting Tina. Who knows what else she could be hiding from me?
Desmond, I think I know Tina to an extent. There must be something behind her actions. There must be a reason for her actions. Because I don't see any reason that will make a wife to treat the husband with so much deceit and hate. Please, try and listen to her. Hear from her to know her reasons behind her actions. Please.
Babes, you are sober and lost in thought. You have to put yourself together. This is not the end of the world.
Just so worried. I'm really worried about the person that leaked this document. What is the person up to? What is his or her plans? I can't just place my hands around it. Oh God, I'm so worried.
Yeah, I understand you. He who doesn't know where the rain starts to beat him would never know when the rain will stop. I think we should go spiritual on this.
Spiritual?
Yes. I believe there is nothing beyond human understanding that the spiritual eyes cannot see. Okay, fine. I have this place I would want to take you to for a possible solution to this problem.
Someone disclosed my secret to my husband, and it's causing a lot of trouble in my marriage. In fact, it's leading to my marriage breakup. I want to know who the person is and what the person is up to.
I see a lady close to you. She is the one that disclosed your secret to your husband.
Why is that? Please look very well. What does she look like? Who is she? What's her name? No, I want to know. Who is she?
No, who need I work with? I see darkness and disappointment of the past. I see your husband in agony. A man with heart of gold. Why is he in agony? Woman, why is your heart so bitter?
I had a very terrible experience in my past. So, I've not been able to trust any man again.
No, Puni, Kayaku, you want to know you. Simezo was in Dibe, Siara. Osim na ejekwa na arụ aba arụ kwụsị enyi ike na okwe kwuche nwe onye wee sote. Ekwere m ana m eshi ọnwụ. You don't have to pay evil with evil. Unlike your husband, who was hurt in the past, yet swore to love and care for any woman that he will call his wife. How can you go make a year for the baby? I'm going to be born aba. I see much area mba. Woman, look into the bowl of water.
Now, let me listen. Where are you going? Why are you doing this now?
We can talk about this. Please. You can't leave me like this.
Desmond, I am tired of you. I am leaving. You can't just enslave me in this house for no reason. I said I'm leaving.
Listen to me. I caught you cheating on me. You're supposed to be remorseful. You're supposed to be sorry for what you have done. Why are you trying to pay me back like this?
Desmond, I am tired of you. You can take care of your children. I am leaving. And don't you ever bother coming to look for me, okay? I'm leaving. Please, I need to go and enjoy my life. How can I be in this thing called marriage? What? In fact, Desmond, don't stop me. I'm going.
Hey, so who's going to take care of my children?
You can do that by yourself now.
Oh, really?
Are you not a man? Men take responsibilities too.
Is that what you're trying to say? Okay, there's no problem. I'll move on with my life. I'll find someone better than you.
Tina, you are not the only one that had a bitter past experience. Your husband also did. He didn't allow his past to affect his future. Rather, he swore to love any woman that he will marry against all odds. It is not good to repay evil with evil. Rather, you repay evil with good deeds. You have crushed the heart that loves you so much. Now your whole life is shattered now.
Wise one, please, what is the solution to all these problems? We need answers.
What are you doing? Come on. Everybody, put it together. Tina, the only solution is to go and beg your husband for forgiveness. That is the only way you will know who leaked the secret to him. He seems to have more cockroach in your cupboard. You have to tell your husband all the secrets that you're keeping away from him. Go! I will communicate with Gus on your behalf. Some theory and Balemba. I'm the man who's a danger. Able to get a canon on Ako.
I thank you for the gift of life. I thank you for my daddy. I thank you for Auntie Miracle. I thank you for everything you have done for us. Almighty God, bless my father abundantly. He has been hurt so much by the people he loved with all his heart. Give my daddy a wife that will love and care for him. Bless him with money so he can take care of us. Protect us from all physical and hidden dangers. And show us the way to follow. For all this I ask in your name. Jesus' name I pray.
What are you doing here? Listen. Get out before I do something stupid.
Yes, Mom. I understand that you're angry. And trust me, you have every right to. But please, Just calm down and listen to her. Don't chase us away. I beg you. I'm sorry. It was never my intention to hurt you anymore. Forgive me. I know what I did was very, very bad. I know that. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Tina, as far as I'm concerned, you have nothing to say. I don't want to listen to you or anyone close to you. For your information, I am going to vacate this building once my rent is expired. You can get someone else to replace me, that's fine. But get out. I want my peace of mind.
So, I'm really sorry.
Tina, I said get out!
Please. Please, if you could just allow me to tell you how.
Get out! Listen! Get out! My friend, get out of my house!
Daddy, everything will be okay. Just hold on. It's not important.
It's okay. Go to your room.
Tina, see, I have to tell you the truth. You went too far. Come on. Desmond is never interested in whatever you inherited from your father. This is a guy that loves you genuinely. I don't know why you choose to bless him with so much wickedness and greed. Huh? You went too far.
I already told you my experiences with men in the past. It's been one disappointment, one bitter experience and sad experience to the other. So it made me believe all men were the same.
Even at that. Eh? You know Desmond for over 4 years now. Yes, 4 years. You should know him too well by now. Come on.
Ben, we realize that everyone makes mistakes, and the ability to realize it, apologize, is paramount than the mistake itself. That is why Tina and I are here to beg you to please help us talk to your friend to forgive her. I mean, we know you're his best friend and you have a way to his heart. Please help us.
I'll talk to him. Yes,
Thank you.
But it is not a guarantee that he will accept your apologies. But I'll try my best to convince him. Huh? No, shit.
Mom.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
How are you?
How are you, brother?
Mom, why is your face like this? I mean, your facial expression says you're not okay.
I'm fine, Brian. Just go get us 2 glasses of water.
I will do that right away.
Very cool one, please. My guilt is killing me. I feel so ashamed of myself. How could I treat a man that loves me so much the way I did? How?
Girl, there is no need crying over spilled milk. Okay? The deed has been done. So you can't harm yourself. Let's just wait for Ben to, talk some sense into him and give us feedback. Okay? Let me fix something for us to eat. I'll be back.
Who could this person be? Who could this person be? Could it be Susan? And she's pretending. Ah, God. No, it can't be her. It can't be Susan. Then who? Who is this young lady? Who? Ah, God. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Desmond, Tina and her friend came over yesterday. They were pleading with me to come and beg you on their behalf. See, I want to personally beg you to forgive Tina. Please. Huh? Pico.
So that demon had the guts to ask you to beg on her behalf after all she did to me. After killing my mother and my son, and you're asking me to forgive her.
See, Tina has realized her mistakes. Hmm? You know, I just want you to find a way, find a place in your heart to forgive her. She's sorry for all the things she has done to you. Huh? Please, forgive her.
Ben, you don't understand. Tina was my life. Tina was everything to me. I loved Tina with everything I had. But Tina betrayed me. Tina cut me deep. Tina killed my mother and my son. And you sit down here asking me to forgive her.
You see, Desmond, calm down. Calm down. I know about all these things. I know. But come to think of it, for her to come begging, it shows she's remorseful of her actions. Yes. She's your wife, remember? You guys are bound by love. You just need to accommodate her back, find a way. You can do this.
Ben, when my mother died, I cried like a little child. When my son died, I almost died. Don't you understand? Ask me why. Funds. I could not.
It's okay.
Listen, I could not pay for my son's medication. Don't you understand? If only she had assisted me, my mother and my son would be alive today.
See, Desmond, I know about all these things. I know about these stories. But come to think of it, see, all these things are in the past now. Oh yes. You should continue, move on with your life. Pick up your pieces and carry on.
Ben, can I ask you a question?
What? Ask me.
Can you love and forgive a woman who watched your mother die? Can you forgive a woman who watched your son die? Can you love a woman who saw you go through hell to pay the rent, only for you to find out that she's the owner of the house? Ben, don't talk to me about forgiveness.
See, Desmond, you need to give it.
All the love I can't show again. I'm lost inside of me. I don't know if I should say goodbye.
Tina! Don't tell me you're still lost in thoughts.
Honestly, I feel so worried. I feel bad as well. I don't know why I had to mistreat Desmond the way I did. How can I treat a man that loved me so much? But I had no idea he did. God, what was I thinking? I pray Desmond forgives me. If he ever forgives me, I will love him like I've never loved any man in my life. What was I thinking?
It's okay there. It's okay. And meanwhile, have you heard from Ben after our last visit?
No, I haven't heard from him. I've been trying to reach him to no avail.
Well, I think we should pay him another visit. Yes, to know the outcome of his meeting with Desmond and to know what Desmond feels about the whole thing.
I agree. And thank you so much for being a great support system. I appreciate it.
You have been my friend for a very long time and you have been supportive too. So I will do anything I can to help. Just cheer up, okay?
Oh God, what was I thinking? I regret all of it. What was
It's fine, okay? It's okay.
Tina, I've tried everything humanly possible to convince Desmond, but he seems to be in so much pain that you caused him. So much pain.
Are you sure you told him how sorry I am? Did you tell him I was really sorry? Come on now, you're his best friend. You should know what to say to him. You should know what to do.
Yes, Ben, Tina is right. You really need to try harder to convince him. I mean, Tina here has not been herself for quite some time now and it's affecting me. Please help us.
I've heard you. I'll try, but see, I am thinking that we need to give him time. They say time is the healer of all wounds. So let's give him time so that he can be able to recover from the shock. Although I will still talk to him. It's okay. It's okay. I have to take my leave now. Yeah? I will settle the bills.
All the love I can't show again. I'm lost inside of me. I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now. Mama left me. Junior left.
Wisely. I have gone to beg my husband just like you asked me to. But he has refused to listen to me. He has refused to accept me back. I've even gone to beg him through his best friend. I asked him to help me talk to my husband, but he has paid back years.
No, Kuni, I don't
know what else to do.
Okuni, don't be a devil. Some of you away for Naya. Love. I still see love in his wounded heart. You have to go back and beg him. I will give you fragrance of mercy and favor. Spread it all over your body. Anytime you want to go and beg him. Make sure your hands touches him. And let no one see the substance. Except you.
Thank you, Wilson. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. But I have one more question. You haven't told me the young lady that disclosed the secret to my husband. The young lady after my marriage, who is she? What is her name? I want to know.
Like I told you before, it's only when your husband forgives you, you will know the lady behind all this. Go now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Tell me what I've done to deserve all this from you. I've played. You pawn my heart. What have I done? You pawn my love. Why you so mean? You pawn that trust. Why you so wicked? You pawn that feeling. What have I done? You put me to a lot of pain. You pawn my trust. What have I done? left me. All the love I can't show again. I'm lost inside of me. I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now. Mama left me, Junior left me.
Desmond, your food is set.
Oh. Thank you, but I'm not hungry.
No, Desmond, you can't say that. You have not eaten for days now. And I specially made this food for you. Please come and eat.
Thank you for your concern, but I'll eat when I'm hungry, okay?
Please.
Alright?
Please come and eat something.
Yes.
Desmond, what is she doing here?
Mira, go to your room. Go to your room.
Okay. Please, I'm truly sorry.
What are you doing here? Are you here to finish what you started?
No, I came to apologize. I know I don't deserve to be here or ask for your forgiveness, but please, I've realized my mistakes and I regret every bit of my actions. I'm sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Listen. Just leave, alright? I don't want troubles. Just leave. Just go.
My husband, please, forgive me.
What are you doing here?
I keep talking.
What are you? Get out! Get out! What are you doing? Get out!
Oh my God!
Get out!
That's not.
Get out!
Tell me what I've done to deserve all this from you. I've played the best part in your life. I struggle to put food on the table. Instead, you pawn my heart. What have I done? You pawn my love. Why you so mean? You pawn that trust. Why you so wicked? You pawn that feeling. What have I done? You put me to a lot of pain. You pawn my trust. What have I?
How did it go? Did you meet him at home?
Yes, I did. I met him in the house. But Susan, you need to see the way Desmond treated me today. I don't even want to mention the way he was talking to me with so much hate and anger. Thank God I came back home alive. I did not believe what I saw. My guilt is killing me. My conscience is eating me up. Why would I do anything like that to him in the first place?
Girl, did you use the fragrance just as the wise one instructed?
Susan, I did. I poured the whole thing on myself for it to be more effective, but nothing seemed to be working. You need to see what Desmond did to me today. I poured everything on my body, but it obviously wasn't working.
I doubt you did, because I have known the wise one for many years, and never for once has he failed in things like this.
My guilt is eating me up, is devouring me. Like I'm feeling so much pain in my heart. I can't even take the pain. My heart is heavy. It's paining me, and I can't take it. I don't know how much longer I'm going to bear this. It's too much. There's so much pain in my heart.
It's okay.
My guilt is killing me.
It's okay, girlfriend. It's okay. Listen, whatever doesn't kill us ends up making us stronger. And I think you should give this one some time. Give this whole thing some time and everything will fall into place.
So my heart is heavy. I can't take it anymore. I can't. My heart is heavy.
Come to think of it, girl. If Desmond is acting like this because of mere documents, what would he do if he finds out that Brian is your biological son?
Baby. My beautiful baby. Chai. See packaging now. I love you. I love you so much. Baby, smile now. See how you enjoy my money.
See, Ken, I'm no longer interested in this relationship. I want to quit.
Are you talking to me? Miracle. Like, have I offended you in any way? Why do you want to quit?
See, Ken, there's a lot going on my mind. I just want to be single, for reasons best known to me.
Jesus Christ. That's so woman they change. Like, Miracle, you can't do this thing to me. You can't do it. Like, I didn't do anything to you. I can't remember doing anything to you. I love you. And I have future plans for us. You can't do this thing to me right now.
Ken, I have made up my mind. And nothing can change it. I cannot continue with this relationship any longer. You can go and find another girl that will love you. I can't love you anymore.
See, baby, you can't make up your mind. You can't make up your mind, baby. See, I love you from my heart. Yeah? I want to marry you. I want to make you the mother of my children. Yeah? The mother of my kids. I love you so much. Yeah? I can't live without you, please.
Please, Ken, stop begging me. It won't work between us, okay? You can go and get yourself another girl that will love you. I can't love you anymore.
Why saying this? Who poisoned your heart? Sorry, who did this thing to us? Who did this thing to me? Eh? I don't really understand. Who poisoned your heart, babe? I love you. I can't live without you.
Oh my God. Is this not Miracle and Barrister Ken? What are they doing together here? Now I know how the document got to Desmond. Tina needs to hear this. Tina needs to hear this right away.
Eh? I bought these clothes for you, and you know, this iPhone you're using now, I bought it for you. I have spent a lot of money on you. Look at me, I have slimmed down trying to please your heart. Eh? You can't do this thing to me right now, please. I beg you.
Okay. If it's because of the iPhone you bought for me, okay, you can have it back. You can have it, okay? Then I'll return every material things that you bought for me. See, I just want to be alone.
Why? Why? How far? Why did you want to do this? Eh? You can't just do it, please. I beg you in the name of God.
Ken, just let me be, okay? I want peace of mind.
Okay, let me ask you a question before you go. Who did this thing? Just tell me. Who poisoned you?
Ken, please, I can't continue with you, okay?
You can't end this thing without any reason. You can't do this without any reason for me. Tell me any reason. Okay, tell me what is the reason of you doing this?
That's why I take care of yourself. That's why.
You are using me. Even with the clothes I bought for you. Am I mad? What is going on here? Eh? Come, you can't do this now. You can't do this.
Over what you can afford. Why are you so mean?
I feel so guilty and ashamed of myself for being so wicked to the only man that has loved me genuinely. My conscience is waging war against my soul.
My heart fails me. I smell the blood of the innocent around me. The mental torture is too much on me. I can't bear this anymore. I can't continue to live a peaceful life. It's better I end the torture once and for all. God, please turn the heart of Desmond to forgive me. I am so sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
Doctor, how is my friend? Is she still alive? Huh?
She is still alive.
Oh, what?
But you have to call the husband. You know, it's a matter of urgency. You have to do that right now.
Doctor, please, whatever you have to do to save her, just do it first. Forget about Desmond for now. Just save my friend. I beg you.
Madam, you have to do what I just asked you to do.
Oh.
Okay? For us to commence further treatment, you need to speak with the husband. I need to see him.
Okay, I'll call him.
Okay.
I will call him. Jesus.
Who with us start for preparation of university. Keep it here.
Hello, Desmond. Yes, it's me. It's me, Susan. Desmond, your wife Tina had an accident. As I speak now, she's critically down in the hospital, and the doctor says she needs blood. Desmond, how could you say such a thing about your wife? Desmond. Oh. Doctor, I've got Desmond, but I don't think Desmond is willing to come here right now.
This is a matter of life and death. Where is he right now?
Doctor, I don't know. To be sincere with you, I don't think Desmond is going to come here. He's having serious issue with Tina. For the past 2 months right now, Tina's been living with me. Doctor, calling Desmond to come here is like forcing the horse to the stream to drink water. Doctor, let's save my friend. Please.
There is a big problem.
Okay, doctor, fine. Forget about Desmond, okay? You can take my blood. I'm sure I have enough to save her.
In that case, I have to take your blood and run a test to confirm if your blood matches with hers.
Let's go.
I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now. Mama left me, Junior left me, over what you...
Doctor, how did it go?
From the test we conducted, your blood didn't match with hers.
Oh, I'm finished. Oh. Doctor, what can we do? What else can we do to save her?
I contacted some hospitals, but they said they could not find the blood match.
Oh.
No, but this man would have been the person to save this situation because she has the same blood group.
with him. If I may ask, what made Desmond to abandon the wife in the hospital?
Doctor, it's not something I want to start explaining now. It's very deep and it's not pleasant in the ear. But I know for sure that if I go to Desmond's house, he will throw me out. He doesn't want to see me. Doctor, please, can you accompany me to Desmond's house? Let's go and beg him.
No.
Doctor, you know you're the family doctor. Maybe he will listen to you. So you can save my friend.
Actually, this is not in line with my profession.
Oh.
I don't have to go there. But anyways, for one good reason, I will do that for the sake of God.
Oh, doctor, thank you very much. Let's start going now. There's no time.
Okay, wait here. Let me go and put myself in. Just a minute. Let me go to the office.
Please hurry up, doctor. Hurry up. Thank you. Oh.
Your wife is in my hospital right now. She had an accident that affected her skull and she lost a lot of blood. She needs blood urgently.
So how does that concern me? How's that my business?
You have same blood group with her and you are the only available person to save her life right now. Just keep aside whatever issue you have with her and reconsider saving her life. It's a matter of life and death. See, Desmond, please, come with me. Let's go to my hospital.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not going anywhere. If she wants to die, that's one cup of tea.
Desmond, please, reconsider your decision. Consider her life. Desmond.
Please, don't harden your heart. I know you to be a soft gentleman. Please don't let my friend die. I beg you.
Well, unfortunately, your friend has turned me into a very difficult man. I can see you have nothing else to say, so I suggest you leave.
Desmond, subside the anger in you and consider her life. I beg you.
Please.
So I have been thinking, you want me to consider her life. Did she consider my mother's life before she died? What about my son? Did she consider my son's life before he died? The answer is no. You see, she doesn't know the value of human life. So I'm sorry, I can't help you. Please take your leave.
Desmond, you are the only available person that can save her life. I understand all you have been saying.
Listen to me. I don't want to be rude. I want to be civil. Can you leave my house? I don't want to throw you out. Please.
Oh, thank God I met you.
Susan, what are you doing here? And why are you panting like this? What's the problem?
Ben, all is not well.
All is not well.
Yes, as I speak to you right now, Tina is in the hospital. She had an accident and it is so critical. The doctor said she lost so much blood and she needs a blood donation as soon as possible to save her.
Wait, Tina had an accident. How? When did this happen?
Ben, if you ask me, who will I ask? Who will I ask? The hospital couldn't find her blood match. And the family doctor said we should get Desmond to donate blood immediately since they have the same blood group.
Oh, this is serious. So have you called Desmond?
Man, I've called him, but he wouldn't listen to me.
Oh.
I even went to his house with the family doctor. You won't believe that Desmond chased us away. But please, help me. I don't want my friend to die. I beg you.
No. She's not gonna die. She's not gonna die. Okay, actually, I was on my way to Desmond's house.
Okay.
I'll try and convince him. Huh?
Ben, you have to try your best. Do your best. Tina doesn't deserve to die no matter what she has done.
Wait, you mean that Desmond chased you and Dr. Charles
Yes,
away?
he did. He did.
Just let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Desmond, I am aware that Tina called you on the phone to tell you about Tina's critical condition. Please, I want you to help her. Please, that girl has suffered enough. She has suffered a lot. Find a way to forgive her. Please. Just...
Ben, do you understand what you're asking me to do?
Desmond, I know the whole story. I know Susan caused the death of your mother and child. But you can allow her to die because of that. But please, okay, I know you're a good man. You can repair evil with evil. Even if you don't want her back in your life as your wife, you can just go to the hospital and donate the blood, that's all. So she can survive. Please.
Ben.
Desmond.
I'm not a good man. I'm sorry, I can't help you.
Desmond, we need to think about this. Desmond.
Tina. Doctor! Tina. Doctor, is there nothing you can do to save her? Something else.
You know I told you about the blood transfusion?
Yes, you did.
And the hospitals I contacted earlier called back and said they could not find the blood match. I mean the blood group O negative. And they referred me to a bigger hospital.
Okay.
Right now, I'm waiting to get their response.
Doctor, for how long are we going to wait for?
My dear, right now, I can't tell.
Oh.
I pray they respond fast. My dear, pray for your friend. Oh. Nurse! Hold on, I'm coming.
Oh my God.
I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now. Mama left me, Junior left me.
Hi, Brittany. Where have you been? Sit down. You okay?
Yes.
Have you had something to eat?
Yes.
All right. Take some more. Take. You like it? All right.
Daddy, I know that Aunt Tina is critically sick in the hospital and she's in need of your blood to save her life.
How did you get that information? Who told you?
I overheard your conversation with Brother Ben. I know that Aunt Tina has done terrible things to you and she doesn't deserve to live. Please, find a place to forgive her.
Okay, Brittany, I don't want to have this conversation now.
Daddy, to err is human and to forgive is divine. Please find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please, you're the only one that can help her. Don't allow her to die.
Brittany, do you know what you're asking me to do? You want me to help someone who deliberately watched your brother die? You want me to help someone who watched your grandmother die? Is that what you want?
Daddy, you said never to repay evil with evil. Please practice what you preach. This is time to prove to her that people are different. Please don't allow her to die.
Brittany, listen, as much as I don't want to have this conversation right now, I think you should just go into the house. I'll come and see you later.
Daddy, if you truly love me and you want me to stay happy with you, please save her. Don't allow her to die.
You know what? I don't want to talk about this. Just go inside. I'll come and meet you. Go. I'll see you shortly. I'll see you later. Just go inside.
I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now.
I got a call from the hospital I contacted earlier, and they said they could not still find her blood match, blood group O negative. No, I'm so confused.
Oh God. Doctor, I don't want to lose my friend. Tina is my source of living. If anything happens to her right now, I don't know what I and my son Brian would do. Doctor, you have to help me anyhow.
I understand the situation, but my advice now is for you to keep praying for your friend to survive. I believe miracle happens, okay?
Hi, doctor.
Yes, Mom.
I'm ready to help.
Desmond, you took right decision.
Desmond, thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Let's move to the lab.
Thank you.
I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife.
Desmond, I must thank you for your decision today. It was really a brave one. You're a good man. I applaud you for that. You really tried.
Ben, if not for one thing, I wouldn't have changed my mind.
It's okay. It's okay. Now see, I know you loved your wife so much. I know how much you love her. It's a pity things turned out this way. Huh? See, I want you to accept your wife back. Yes, since you have realized that she is sorry for her actions. And come to think of it, you have realized how wealthy she is right now.
Ben, I am not interested. I don't care. I don't care about anything she owns. It's best we go our separate ways. I told you this before. I have a daughter now and it's fine. Okay? It's best we move on with our lives and don't try to talk us, being back together. That's not going to work. And I don't want this whole thing to affect my friendship with you. Listen, don't try talking me into having her back because it's not going to work. Please, let me walk you to the car. Don't try to, I don't want to have any
What a lonely world we all live in. I've spent all my life loving people who claim they love me but end up disappointing me. What a cruel world.
Mama? Junior! I've been looking everywhere for you.
Daddy, please, I want to forgive Auntie Tina. To err is human, to forgive is divine.
My son, you need to forgive your wife. Forgiveness is a personal decision that goes against all natural instincts. To pay back evil with evil. Forgiveness is a powerful ecstasy that frees your mind from hate. You need to be free, my son.
Oh, Mama, she killed you. She caused your death.
I am fine where I am. And you need to be fine too.
Is she okay? You should be fine.
Oh, my dear, she's responding to treatment very well. I know as a convalescent, she needs rest more than anything right now.
Thank you so much, doctor. God bless you. Thank you.
We treat and God heals. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I have to be with other patients right now.
It's fine. Thank you. Tina, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. You can't believe that you lost so much blood that I was so scared. Your life was at risk. It was just a thin line between life and death for you. But I'm happy you're fine. Tina, the hospital did not have your blood group match to donate blood for you. And there was so much pressure on me. I didn't know what to do. I was just confused. I had to go to Desmond to beg him to donate blood to save you. And to my greatest surprise, Desmond did. He turned up. Right now as we speak, Desmond's blood flows through your vein. Yes, he did. Tina, Desmond is a very nice man. He has a good heart. Amen. God bless him. I was so scared. Tina, Desmond is here.
Thank you. See. Sorry for all I did to you. How that experience many years ago. I noticed you've been so busy since I came. What's eating you? What's this thing that you don't want to tell me?
Don't worry, baby, I'll be fine. Okay, it's nothing serious.
Come on, babe. You know I hate to see you like this. Tell me, what is it? You can't tell me anything. What's going on?
See, baby, it's about that business I've been telling you about. Okay? It's been giving me sleepless nights. Okay, I just wish I could just grab this opportunity. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Come on, baby, look at me. I'm not getting younger. I need to think of starting a family. And how can I do that if I don't have money?
Okay, I understand, but what's stopping you from grabbing this big opportunity?
See, baby, my uncle brought a connection of goods importation. You see, and he wants me to be part of the team. All right? You see, but I have to invest like 15 million naira. Yes, like I'll buy goods from abroad, 15 million naira, sell it and make enough profits for myself. You know, in that way I can be able to, establish myself,
That's a lot of money. 15 million naira.
See, baby, the idea here is that once I invest with this 15 million naira now, I am a part of this team. All right? I will get the goods from abroad, sell it and make enormous profits for myself. Then I can establish myself.
It's a whole lot of money.
I know, baby, but you just need to help me. Please, you're the only one I can run to. Please.
It's 50 million naira is too much money. I don't think my our family lawyer will be able to, would want me to spend that kind of amount. It's not possible.
Baby, please. Please, baby, help me achieve my dream. Please. See, I'm not doing this for myself alone. I'm doing it for us, for our unborn children.
No, but 50 million naira is too much money. Our family lawyer won't allow this.
Maybe you can convince him. I know you have this money in your account.
I can take care of myself. I'm not complaining. You don't need to do all that for me. I'm good. I can take care of myself.
What about me? You don't want to be that kind of man that cannot take care of his own family. Even the Bible said a man that cannot take care of his family is worse than an infidel. Please, all I want is just to have enough money to take care of you and our unborn kids. Please. Please, look at the big picture here.
It's okay. Just get up. Okay, fine. I'll see what I can do. I'll talk to our family. But get up first. Get up.
No, you need to assure me that you
I
help me.
will. I'll talk to our family lawyer. Get up. I'll tell him I'm the one that needs the money for a very big business project. I'll look forward to tell him. But wait till you have to give me the hard copy for this
No, baby,
business.
That won't be a problem. I'll give you the hard copy. I'll give you whatever you want.
It's okay. I'll give you the 50 million naira.
Baby, are you serious?
Yes, I am. I'll give it to you.
You're the angel of my life. You see why I love you?
You're the angel of my life. See, I don't like to see you like this. See, anything I'll do to make you happy, I'll do that, okay?
Tell me now, what could I have done without you?
Nothing.
Huh?
That's why you have me. Hope you're happy now.
I'm happy.
No problem. So, I'm happy you're happy now. So you stop wearing this.
You don't know what.
Ooh. Boy, I'm so happy she has transferred the 15 million naira to me. Oh yes. But wait, why am I even here writing this business plan? What am I trying to do by sticking to this girl when I know too well that her big uncles will come tomorrow to claim her father's properties? And as the only girl, she won't be able to fight them. Come. Wouldn't it be better if I take this money and travel abroad, start a new lifestyle, and also achieve my dreams of marrying a white woman? I think that would be the best idea.
Hey! Oh, yes. What I will do now is this evening, I will go to Ghana this evening. When I get to Ghana, from Ghana, I will prepare my visa and straight to UK. Bravo!
That's how I turned this way. This one, will you ever forgive me? Sorry. Susan, my friend, I want to say a very big thank you for all you've been doing for me. You've been a great support system. Without you, I would have been dead and forgotten by now. But you made sure that I live. You made sure I was alive. You did everything in your power to make sure that your friend lived. Thank you so much. And may God bless you.
My friend, thank you for being strong. You're my friend. And I don't want anything to happen to you because I don't even know how to cope if anything happens to you. Before I forget, could you believe that Miracle, your sister-in-law, is having an affair with Barrister Ken?
Really? Miracle and Barrister Ken? Who would have thought that?
I never believed it myself. Not until I saw them with my two eyes. Wait, I was actually rushing to come tell you when I heard about the accident.
So Miracle has been the person close to me the wise one was talking about. Oh my God. How would I have known that? Anyways, I don't blame her. Anyone in her shoes would do same to save their brother. Barrister Ken. So he was actually guilty of leaking documents in his personal care. Life. You know, life is full of lessons. Experience is the best teacher, they say. I have learned my lessons. I have moved on. I have decided to be a better person. I have decided to be a better wife to my husband. I've decided to be loyal, truthful. I will not hide anything from my husband. I'll be the best wife any man would ask for. And I'll love my husband like I've never loved any other man. I want to go back to Desmond. And as for Brian, I also think it's time he knows who his real parents are.
It's okay. I am happy that you're changed now. That is the most important thing at the moment.
Oh, Desmond, I really want to appreciate you for what you did for your wife recently. It's not easy.
Right.
It's rare to see men who can have that kind of heart of forgiveness. I commend you for that. You're a good man.
Ben, thank you for the compliments. You need to let things go. Yeah. Truth is, we're not perfect. We're all imperfect people. It's important to put the past behind us. Not because it doesn't hurt. It does hurt sometimes, but for our own peace of mind and our own mental health, it's important to let the past go away.
Yes.
However, I want to thank you for all of the encouragements. I appreciate them too.
You're welcome. What are friends for? Desmond.
Yeah.
Let me ask you something. What if Tina comes back to you? Are you going to accept her back as your wife and stay in the same house with her?
Ben, you said you were hungry, right?
Oh, food. How do you know I'm hungry? Please go and get food. I can't wait.
I came bearing gifts.
Hey there. Welcome.
Thank you.
How was your day? Who has all this?
I got it for Brian. It's my way of enticing him. Susan, I think it's high time I told him and his mother. There's no point or gain keeping the truth away from him.
Do you think it's the right time to do that?
Say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Please call him for me.
Okay. Brian! Brian!
Yes, Mom.
Come
in. Auntie Tina, welcome.
Thank you, Brian. I got this for you.
Wow.
I hope you like them.
Wow. I love them. I'm so happy.
I'm glad you did. Brian, there's something I want to talk to you about. Please, listen attentively. And please don't be mad, okay? Just so you know, everything I am telling you is nothing but the truth. Please. I'm your biological mother. Susan here is not your mother. She's your auntie. I give birth to you. I am your mother.
I knew it. I knew you would not come with only one surprise. You also came with prank.
No.
Mom, what is Auntie Tina saying?
Brian, Auntie Tina is right. She's actually your biological mother. I raised you under my care for some crucial reasons. It happened many years ago. My friend, what is wrong with you and why is your face like this?
I wasn't feeling too well, so I decided to go to the hospital.
Okay.
Only for me to find out that I'm pregnant. I just got the result. I'm pregnant for Nelson.
Jesus! You're pregnant for Nelson? So that boy got you pregnant and then ran away with your father's money? A whopping 15 million naira! Ha! This one is wicked. He will pay for this.
I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. What will people say? They will assume because my parents are dead and I choose to be wayward. How can I get pregnant out of wedlock? How would I face everybody? How would I face the world? I feel so embarrassed by this whole
Calm down. Calm down, my friend. We'll find a way out. Calm down.
Most importantly, I don't need anybody to know. I don't even want our family lawyer to know about this. Nobody needs to know about my pregnancy, please.
Listen, I would not advise an abortion, okay? I can't advise abortion at all. It is an evil act. Eh? It is an evil act. Let us...
What do I do then? I can't help this child. What do I do?
Aha! I suggest you go to my mother's village. Carry and have your baby. Nobody will find out you were ever pregnant. Talk more of having a child. And then my mother, she will take care of the child like her own.
And what do I tell my family lawyer? How do I explain my absence?
Just tell him anything. Anything. You can tell him you're going on vacation. Yes. Yes. That will be enough.
Okay, thank you so much. What would I have done without you?
Come on. We're friends. Give me this, okay? I'm your friend. Let's go. Cheer up, okay?
I can't believe
it's okay.
Cheer up.
You grew up with my mother, and you only moved in here to stay with me after she died. Auntie Tina is your biological mother.
Mom, you mean Auntie Tina here is my biological mother?
Yes. Call me mother. I'm your mother. And I'm sorry if this makes you feel any way. I hope you don't feel bad.
No, Mom. I don't feel bad at all. You've always treated me like my real mother. You shower me with gifts and surprises. And I used to wonder, but everything has been clear to me now. It can only be seen in the heart of a true mother.
Thank you, Brian.
One more thing. What about my dad? Did he travel to Asia with my siblings just as Auntie Susan has been telling me?
My son, I promise tomorrow I'll take you to your father to be one of the best days of your life.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, mom. Best mom in the whole world.
Come here, son. Now go back, baby. I will finish this. Okay?
It's all mine. For the special mother. Best mother. Thank you.
I'm so relieved right now. Oh my God. So happy.
Yeah. How are you? You okay?
Okay, so why are you staring at me? What's wrong? Everything okay?
There is something I want to discuss with you.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Alright, so what is it?
Someone will be coming for my hand in marriage next week.
You're getting married next week.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you're not getting married to Barrister Ken.
No, not at all.
Oh, okay.
I don't have anything to do with him anymore.
Oh, good. Good news. So tell me, who's this person? Do I know him?
No, you don't know him. He's a responsible gentleman. You will like him. We'll meet him next week.
He is a responsible gentleman.
Mm-hmm.
That's good news. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. So I'll be here waiting for him to come.
Thank you.
I'm hungry. Okay. Can you serve me?
All right, let me go and get some.
All right.
That's not. I want to say again that I'm very sorry. Like, I'm deeply and truly sorry. I have realized my mistakes and I am here to make amends.
Yeah, good decision you have taken.
Within this short while, I've learned a lot of lessons. In fact, I've known life more than I've ever known it before. One thing I learned is for one to have a healthy relationship, it has to be a truthful one. And I've decided to tell you nothing but the truth. There's some things about me you don't know. I have a secret that I've been keeping away from you. And I'm here today to tell you the truth. If you go ahead to forgive me because you love me, I'll be fine. Or if you decide to reject me because of my bitter and sad past, it's fine. I'll take it as fate.
So what else are you hiding from me?
I had a son before you married me.
What? Tina, you never mentioned that to me.
Yes, I didn't, but that's why I'm here telling you this. My son was living with Susan when he proposed to me.
Hey, best. Why did you keep me waiting?
I'm
What is
sorry. I'm sorry.
it? Anyway, girl, do you know I never believed that Desmond was serious about the relationship? I thought he was joking.
It came as a shock and surprise to me when he proposed. I wasn't expecting it.
He's so good.
Ever say never.
Yeah. But I'm thinking of something, yeah? What would you do about Brian? Would you tell him that you have a child?
Why would I do a thing like that? Why would I tell him such a secret? My plan is to wait till Brian gets of age. I'm going to give everything I own to him. I'll will all of it to him. I don't want anybody knowing about my financial identity.
That's a good idea, if you ask me.
Of course it is. Look, this is why I need you now than never. You need to promise me that my secret is safe with you. Nobody would know about it. You keep it close to your heart.
My dear friend, your secret is very safe with me.
Okay, I believe you. So where are you taking me to? Can we go?
Yeah. Let's go.
I wanted to give my inheritance and all I had to Brian. That's why I never mentioned him to you. After I had Brian, I decided to start a new life, meet a new man. So I met Richard, a loving and a caring man. He showered me with so much love and care. I got carried away and got pregnant for him. All of a sudden, he was nowhere to be found. I had no idea where he was. I later found out that Richard was a criminal, a wanted one at that. So he got caught and was killed in the act. So I vowed not to have the child of a criminal. I wanted the baby out of me. So I made up my mind to have an abortion. I went to the doctor and he advised me not to abort a 5-month-old pregnancy. I didn't listen to him. I went to another doctor and had the abortion done. It was along the line that I had my womb damaged. I had no idea my womb was damaged until I met you. But I didn't tell you about it. I kept it away from you because I was scared you might react in a very bad way or I would lose you, and I didn't want either of that to happen. So I kept it away.
It's impossible to say it's all because it was confirmed we're both fit to have children.
Yes, that's true that we're both confirmed medically fit to have kids, but the tests were fake. I asked the doctor to manipulate them. It's all fake.
Dr. Charles, I know you'll be wondering why I called you out here. But there's something very important I need to discuss with you. And it has to be just between us.
Okay. What could that be?
My husband and I came to the hospital yesterday to run a fertility test.
Yeah. I hope there is no problem.
There is a problem. And you're the only one that can help me solve this problem. That's why I came to you.
So, go on. What could that be?
Dr. Charles, I need you to doctor the results, like a fake one, proving that I'm medically fit to have kids. In fact, that my husband and I are medically fit to have kids.
Madam, I don't do such a thing. I'm a licensed medical professional. And we have ethics guiding the medical profession. I'm sorry.
Dr. Charles, I know what I'm asking is unethical and it's wrong. It's not right. I know that, but I don't want to lose my marriage. See it as you helping me save my marriage. If my husband finds out I can't give him kids, I'll lose my marriage. And I don't want that. And I'm willing to pay you 2 million naira for this. It's just to doctor the results. It's nothing serious.
Madam, it is not about the money. What you are persuading me to do is something that has never been done in the history of my profession.
I know.
See, I can't do that. And please, don't beg me.
Charles, please, look, I'm willing to double the amount. Just do this for me. See it like you're trying to help somebody. You're helping me save my marriage. That should be the good part of it. Please, I am begging you, save my marriage. I don't want to lose my husband. Please, it should be something you can do for me. I am begging. Please, you're the only person that can do this for me. Help me save my marriage. I don't want to lose my husband. Please, I'm begging you. Desmond, I know I have done unspeakable things to you, but please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. Deeply sorry. Really, really sorry. Please forgive me.
Tina, I forgive you. With all of me, I do. I love you so much. You see, the love I have for you is bigger than any rage, anger, hatred I once felt for you. I forgive you and I take you back.
Thank you for forgiving me and accepting me back as your wife. Thank you. But there's one more thing I want to ask you for.
Anything.
Please. I want you to accept my son Brian as your son. I know you're the best father he would ever have. I know you treat him like one. Please accept him. Even if it's the last thing you do for me, I would appreciate it. Please.
I will. I promise to take Brian as my son.
And I promise to be the best wife ever. I promise to be the best mother to Brittany. I promise to be a better mother to you, and please forgive me if I've treated you anyway in the past badly. I'm a changed person now. Life has taught me a whole lot, and I've learned. I'm changed.
I forgive you, Mom.
Thank you.
You happy now? Alright.
Thank you, Brittany. And my son Brian.
Where is he?
Brian, come. Brian.
Hey.
Good. Remember I told you today will be one of the best days of your life? Yes, Mom. Meet your father and your sibling. Dad.
You good?
I'm good.
With your dad?
I've been waiting for you to return from Asia.
That is what
Family hug. I'm so happy. Come.
Good.
I want to have this with you. These are documents for the properties I inherited from my father. I want you to have all of them. You're the man of the house, and I believe you're the right person to be in charge. Here.
You're giving me your inheritance?
Yes, all of it.
I'm completely speechless.
Thank you for accepting it. And I promise to be a better wife. I promise to be loyal, truthful, no more hiding anything away from you. In fact, I promise to be the best wife ever.
Thank you. You're so kind. I was wrong. You do have a good heart. I promise to love you. I promise to protect you. I promise to make you happy. I love you so much.
She has to be 5 before 4. 5 before 4, but put it down so you don't forget.
Mommy, what is it?
My baby is coming. Go call your daddy. Hold up.
Daddy!
Dad! The baby is coming.
Dad! Mom, what? I don't know what's happening.
The baby is coming.
What?
Oh, where's your daddy?
Is she okay? I don't know. Yeah? I don't know. What?
The baby is coming.
Wait.
Let me get my khaki home. Get up. Okay, get up. There you go. Wait. Open the door. Sorry. Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Baby coming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go. Okay. It's okay. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Sorry. Should we go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, be a strong woman. Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. Careful.
I don't know if I should say goodbye, but I still love my wife. But I don't know how to forgive her now. Mama left me, Junior left me, over what you can afford. Why are you so mean? Tina, tell me now. Have I not